Okay, so here I have the complete setup. You can see basically I have made the DC energy meter in which you can get the data on the web page. So I will explain what components I am using, and then how a user will be able to see the data. Okay, so here I have the Arduino Mega, and then I have the NodeMCU. Basically Arduino Mega is connected to the voltage sensor and current sensor. This is current sensor ACS712, and then this is our voltage sensor. It can measure up to 24 volt, and this is motor. So basically Arduino will get the data of these two sensor, and then it will send the data through the serial communication to this NodeMCU, and we have the web server on this NodeMCU. So user will be able to get the access through the IP address of the web page. Let me show you the web page. So this is how the web page is looking like. So right now it is offline, so I will turn it on, and then you will see how it works. So this is the output. So right now the motor is not attached, so you will see what the values are being shown. So this is basically the kind of the voltage meter and the power provider to this complete set. Let me turn it on. You can see the setup is turned on, and then you can see the voltage are let me refresh that page. Just wait. Yeah, you can see here the web page is refreshed. The voltage are 7.92 and same 7.92. okay, so let me turn the motor on. Okay, so motor is turned on, and then you can see the web page here. I have put some pressure on the motor, and you will see the current increases and the watt also increases. Yeah, this is how it is working. Okay, let me increase the voltage. Right now it is 7.92. I'm gonna increase it to 12. You can see here the voltage are also increased. Let me show you here again. Let me decrease it. You will see here. So this is the complete working of the setup. Actually motor load is not that enough, so therefore you can see even the running current of 0. So when I applied the load on it, then it gives the accurate some reading of the current. You can see I have applied the load, and then here you go. You can see here I have applied the load, and then current increases. I am leaving it, it will decrease. So this is how it is working. Thank you.